There, make sure that there's always a red dot
record
in the corner. Okay. Hey guys, it's Sadie, and today I'm outside and I also have fever and like a virus, so I'm like not feeling the best right now. Today we just got the keys for technically my parents' new house, and if you want to explain like a whole situation, why we even moved and how long I'm gonna be staying here, but I will explain all of that at the end of the video. So this is our house that's about an hour away from our current house. I sound so sick. This is the front of our house, and I'm gonna try and blur out the address. Our one-car garage. No, I don't really know. It's a garage. Come on in. Welcome to my crib. I've always wanted to say that. I love it because it's nice and white, and this is a really nice and quiet street. I don't know, we're gonna put some like furniture, like plants or something here, but it's kind of empty now. So this is also an empty house tour. I didn't even say that. We're basically moving everything in over the next couple of months, but this is what it looks like with nothing in it. Here we go. Our mailbox.
This is such a cool
I'm filming. Okay, huge echoey space. Oh, I'm supposed to take my shoes off. No, this is our like living room slash family room area. I honestly don't know how we're gonna set this all up, Mother, but I'm excited. Here we have our kitchen that comes right from the family room, and like this huge window, that huge window, all the natural light. We have this cool little sick see-through thingy. And we have a bigger fridge with no food in it. But the best part ever. Yeah. Then we have our little microwave and our little thingy thing and our other little thingy thing. Here we're gonna go into the bedrooms that are on the top floor. This is my parents' bedroom. They have all of this storage, which I don't even know if we're gonna keep this storage. Okay, so my mom just let me know that this is all basically gonna change, like we're gonna do renovations and stuff, but you guys just might not see that because I might be moving out before it even starts. There's a window to a very special room, but I'll show you guys that later. Here is the bathroom.
Again.
Wait, actually might take it. Wait, this is actually so nice. Honestly,
the bathroom is so nice. This bathroom is very old and dated.
No, but I feel like it's like. And honestly, this is the second time I've ever been into this house, so I'm kind of getting lost. This is another bedroom. Nice little window, nice little closet. I don't know. And now we're gonna go to one of my favorite parts of the whole house. Oh, this is our dining room.
Well, now it's dining room. Again, this is gonna change too.
For now, it's our dining room. We have a sunroom. We have this huge open space with like such high ceilings, a huge fan, and all of these windows. I am going to film videos in here, make TikToks in here. I'm so excited to use this room and decorate it because I love how white everything is. So like the light bounces off and it's just the best lighting ever. I'll just show you guys the backyard really quickly because it's so cold. Oh, I'm so Canada. It's cold. Okay, this is our backyard. We're probably gonna add some furniture here, right?
Oh yeah.
And that's where I took the Instagram photo, but we actually have a bigger backyard than our house right now. Wanna come down this little alley? Parkour in here. This door is another entrance to our kitchen, and this door is the entrance to our garage. It's kind of boring, you don't really want to go in there, but oh, lighting. This is the basement.
Can't wait to paint these stairs.
I don't like these stairs. They're kind of ugly. This is the bathroom downstairs. I find it pretty cool because there are 8 kajillion shower head thingies. Like, look how many, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like,
kajillion.
You're kajillion. And I've also never had a glass shower like this. Here is the rest of the bathroom, the necessities, the toilet, the sink, the cabinet. Anyways, I feel so sick. Keep going. The light.
That light needs. Yeah, really.
This is a bedroom. Might be my bedroom. Might not be my bedroom. I have to make some decisions, but
it's dark down here though, so it's not a great room for you. And the bedroom upstairs is small, but it's bright.
Okay, keep going. I have the chills. I have like an 80 million degree fever. This is our laundry room. And this is our basement room, which I'm actually so excited to get all our furniture in here because then it's like a chill out spot, and I can't wait for my friends to come over and chill down here. What's this?
I just stored. That's the furnace.
The furnace.
And that's a closet, storage.
Closet, and that's... Oh, you know when you sniff too hard and it goes in your head?
Every time you sniff, it's in your head, Sadie.
Oh my gosh. Thank you for filming, Mother. So I'm in the sunroom now, which is probably my favorite room in the house. But I just wanted to explain everything because you guys are probably confused, like why am I moving? Like why aren't I staying? Where am I going after? Like aren't I going to university? Like all of these things. So this is kind of like the first part of the reveal of what I'm doing after high school. And I am going to make a whole video explaining everything that I'm doing and my whole plan, which I'm so excited for, but this is kind of like the first reveal. So this is my parents' new house. They wanted to downsize because all of their children are going to be moving out, which includes me. So in September, I'm going to be moving out. And where I'm going to be moving out and for what purpose is going to be said in another video, but this is their house that I'm going to be living in for the summer, and I know absolutely zero people here. I actually really do like this house, even though I don't really want to move. It's honestly just for 2 months that I'm living here. I have this awesome room that I can kind of turn into my filming studio when I need it. So I'm so excited for this change. You guys know that I love change, and I hope that you guys like the empty house tour. So this is not my house, it's my parents' house, but yeah. I'm literally so sick and I look gross, and I just want to like sit down and drink tea. Oh, I want a tea. That's gonna be it for this video. Give it a like if you guys are excited for decorating this new house, because I love home videos, like decoration videos, especially Aspen Boulevard's. It's kind of echoey, so let me know if it's annoying and if I should get a microphone. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.